गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं
गोविन्द गोविन्द
जानकीकान्तस्मरणं
जय जय राम राम
जय प्रेमिकेन्द्र सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की
जय कोदण्डमण्डितकरं कमलायताक्षं सीता समाश्रितभुजं जगदां शरण्यम् आजानुबाहुम् अमरार्चितपादपद्मम् पीताम्बरं रघुवरं शरणं प्रपद्ये राजाधिराजतनयं रघुवंशनाथम् राकेशचारुवदनं रमणीयगात्रम् रक्षत्कुलप्रशमनं रमितं मुनीन्द्रैः रक्षाकरं त्रिजगतां प्रणमामि रामम् वारुणी कविता सागरमथितं मारुति हृदयानन्दनमृतम् प्रेमरचितं भावुकरसितं राघवशतकं गायकमधुरम् शतकं गायक मधुरम् यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण रामभक्ति प्रजायते तं वन्दे रङ्गनाथार्यं रामायणपरायणम्
जानकीकान्तस्मरणं
जय जय राम राम
जय प्रेमिकेन्द्र सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की
जय प्राचेतसमहं प्रणमामि प्राचेतसमहं प्रणमामि राम नाम संकीर्तनलोलुपं राम नाम संकीर्तनलोलुपं रामभक्तं विरहितपापं रामभक्तं विरहितपापं प्राचेतसमहं प्रणमामि रामचरित्र प्रवचनधीरं रामचरित्र प्रवचनधीरं रामगुणार्णव चिन्तनवरं रामगुणार्णव चिन्तनवरं प्राचेतसमहं प्रणमामि रामध्यानाननिमग्नो रामध्यानाननिमग्नो रामचरण प्रेम सुदर्शनम् राजेत समहं प्रणमामि
कथमिह तेषां दुष्टानां शुभं
कथमिह तेषां दुष्टानां शुभं
कामविमोक्षाणाम् इह पापम्
कामविमोक्षाणाम् इह पापम्
नश्यति नूनं परदारगतो नश्यति नूनं परदारगतो ब्रह्माद्यमर दत्तवरोऽपि ब्रह्माद्यमर दत्तवरोऽपि भवति लोकेश भक्तोऽपि
भवति लोकेश भक्तोऽपि
नश्यति नूनं परदारगतो अन्ते तेषां नरके गतिः
अन्ते तेषां
नरके गतिः अन्यस्त्रीषु येषां मतिः
अन्यस्त्रीषु येषां
मतिः नश्यति नूनं परदारगतो रावणेव साक्षी पश्यत
रावणेव साक्षी पश्यत
रसिका परस्त्री सङ्गं त्यजत
रसिका परस्त्री सङ्गं त्यजत
नश्यति नूनं परदारगतो काम किल कुलटायां भवति
काम किल
कुलटायां भवति प्रेमैव निजदारेषु जयति
प्रेमैव
निजदारेषु जयति नश्यति नूनं परदारगतो गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं
गोविन्द गोविन्द
जानकी कान्तस्मरणं
जय जय राम राम
सीतावदन विलोकन समुदित सीतावदन विलोकन समुदित कौतुकपूर्ण वदनं कौतुकपूर्ण वदनं श्रितजनवत्सलम् अमितकृपानिधिं श्रितजनवत्सलम् अमितकृपानिधिं सौन्दर्यनिर्जितमदनं सौन्दर्यनिर्जितमदनं पश्यत रघुकुलचूडामणिं भजत सदा भक्त चिन्तामणिं सीताविरचित सौमित्रिनन्दन सीताविरचित सौमित्रिनन्दन स्मरण सञ्जात कोपाभिनयं स्मरण सञ्जात कोपाभिनयं सौ सौमित्री विरचित चिताविनिपातन सौमित्री विरचित चिताविनिपातन प्रकटित सीता भक्तिनयन प्रकटित सीता भक्तिनयन पश्यत रघुकुल चूडामणिं भजत सदा भक्त चिन्तामणिं सकल सुरासुर सेवित विद्याधर सकल सुरासुर सेवित विद्याधर किन्नर चारण सेवित चरणं किन्नर चारण सेवित चरणं निखिल भुवन मङ्गलचरितं निखिल भुवन मङ्गलचरितं प्रेमिक भक्त हृदयाभरणं प्रेमिक भक्त हृदयाभरणं पश्यत रघुकुल चूडामणिं भजत सदा भक्त चिन्तामणिं पश्यत रघुकुल चूडामणिं जानकी कांत स्मरणं जय जय राम राम जय राजाधिराज रामचंद्र भगवान की जय भज रे मानस सततं पठामि रामं भज रे मानस सततं पठामि रामं भज रे मानस सततं भजित सुरासुर किन्नरगारुडं भजित सुरासुर किन्नरगारुडं भक्तजन प्रियं सिंहासनारूढं भक्तजन प्रियं सिंहासनारूढं भज रे मानस सततं पठामि रामं भज रे मानस सततं लक्ष्मण भरत शत्रुघ्नार्चित लक्ष्मण भरत शत्रुघ्नार्चित चरणं लक्ष्मी रमणं रामं चरणं लक्ष्मी रमणं रामं लावण्यामृत सिन्धु समोद्भव लावण्यामृत सिन्धु समोद्भव चन्द्र समं हरिं सत्यकामं चन्द्र समं हरिं सत्यकामं भज रे मानस सततं पठामि रामं भज रे मानस सततं वसिष्ठ प्रभृति तपोधन हृदय वसिष्ठ प्रभृति तपोधन हृदय विलोलं वेद वचन वेद्यं विलोलं वेद वचन वेद्यं विभीषण सुग्रीव वातात्मजगुह विभीषण सुग्रीव वातात्मजगुह जाम्बवत मुख वैष्णव वन्द्यम् भज रे मानस सततं पठाभिरामं भज रे मानस सततं कोमलनयनं कोदण्डधरं कोमलनयनं कोदण्डधरं श्यामलरूपं चन्द्रमुखं श्यामलरूपं चन्द्रमुखं कौसल्यात्मजं कल्याणगुणं कौसल्यात्मजं कल्याणगुणं कनकाभरणम् अजं अमोघं कनकाभरणम् अजं अमोघं भज रे मानस सततं पठाभिरामं भज रे मानस सततं श्रीराम जय राम जय जय रामेति श्रीराम जय राम जय जय रामेति कीर्तनमोद प्रेमिकलोलं कीर्तनमोद प्रेमिकलोलं शरणागत जन वत्सलममलं शरणागत जन वत्सलममलं सनातन धर्मोद्धारणलीलं सनातन धर्मोद्धारणलीलं भज रे मानस सततं पठाभिरामं भज रे मानस सततम्
जानकी कान्तस्मरणं
जय जय राम राम
राम कृपा बिनु सुलभन सोई बिनु सत्संग विवेकन होई. Anna in Ramakathamrita Saram, he says satsangam is very important. Because of dussangam, Vali, Ravana and Maricha, they have attained whatever happened to them, it's because of the dussangam. But Anna's bhavam is always very nice. He gives the positive view. But Ravana did not see Sita in a different way. Anna's Hridayam says, Sitam bhakti yuto bhajan pratidinam dhyayan sada matrivate. Because he remembered the shapa that is given by Brahma. And then he looked at Sita in the way, you know, the child sees mother. That's what Sita is also saying. That's why she's also giving the advice during Sundarakanda. You know, sadhu dharmam avekshasva, sadhu. So that's why, but he also did something. Tvat kopam samavaptu kama. Because he wanted to make you angry, because there is a backstory, right? So he wants to make you angry for the vadam. He created the kopa in Rama. Tam santarjayama asacha. So that's because it happened. So Ravana Vadam happened. Ravana Vadam is not a big deal for Rama. So the whole Vanavasam is to pick all the bhaktas and see all the sadhus. You know, a lot of sadhus came to Ayodhya, and all of them see Rama. Some people like, you know, Sharabanga and Shabari, they are all waiting for him to come to their ashrama. So the whole Digvijaya Yatra is to see all the bhaktas. And now Ravana Vadam has happened. Sita has come. So Agni Pravesham, and you know, Sita has come. Now he's entering Ayodhya. All the people are so happy. He Swamin Vijayi Bhaveti Bahubihi Saketa Vasai Janaihi. Everybody is happy. Jaya Vijay Bhava, Jaya Vijay Bhava. Sangeetam Kusumaischa. Shatrugna has given big task for all the little children. You have to put flower when Rama comes. Sangeetam Kusumaischa. All the ladies are singing shatakams. Pujitam imam Raja Adirajam Prabhum. Then he gave Sugriva, he gave his own elephant to Shatrunjayam is given to Sugrivan. He's going in the front. Everybody, he's the one who's moving, He's new to Ayodhya, but he's been given the task. He's moving. Angada Rakshasendra Bharata. So Bharata has come at the end. First Sugrivan, Angadan, Rakshasendra. Vibhishana is just now, he's stunned. So many thousands of Bhakta, Bharata is there. Vibhishana is hesitating. Suddenly, there's one hand on the shoulder, touched him and he turned back. He said Rama. He saw Rama. So, Sundarakandam, during Sundarakandam Upanyasam here, Vishakamani also mentioned, right? It doesn't matter when you come into the family. The moment you become Rama Bhakta, you're always the first. Every Rama Bhakta is the first. That's how Rama is also treating. Atma Samasakha. Everybody is Atma Samaha for Rama. Vibhishana Sugriva Vata Tvaja Guga Jambava Pramukha Vaishnava. Even in Raghava Shatakam, Vibhishana comes first. Vibhishana Sugriva Vata Tvaja Guha. Everybody is there. Bhakta Kolahalan, always he wants to be with all his bhaktas. That's why he's Bhakta Kolahalan. So now the whole procession has happened there in Ayodhya. Now Vasishta, everybody is ready for Pattabhishekam. He is placed in the Simhasanam. Nana Ratna Virajita Sanavare Sripada Pitanvite Rajantam Sahitam Videga Sutayacha Ananda Kolagalam Bhratribhyam Varashubhra Chamara Yugena Araditam Sadaram Sweta Chatra Samavritam Smaramanaha Pattabhishiktam Prabham. Adna always says Bharjare Manasa Smaramanaha. One slokam comes to my mind. Manohi hetu sarvesham indriyanam pravartane. The moment you keep Rama in your manas, all the indriyas will be in his control. Manohi hetu sarvesham indriyanam. So Bhajare Manasa Satatam Pattabhiramam, Bhajare Masa Hanumantam, Bhajare Manasa. Everything is Bhajare. That's why he says in Yugala Satam, he says Bhavuka Lokam. Right? The Bhavuka Lokam is important. You place both Rama and Sita in your heart. He will control everything. Then his life is in his control. Nana Ratna Virajita Sanavare. So 14 years. Shatrugna, whole Ayodhya is getting ready for that Pattabhishek. He gave 14 years for them to get ready. It has to be that grand. It has to be that grand. That's why Lokachema, we are getting more time to enjoy more songs and more Sundarakandam Parayanams. So that 14 years, all the fully decorated Simhasanam. Then there is a special Pitam with velvet for Rama because he sits in Virasana, right? Sripada Pitanvite. Sripada, because Lakshmi touches his feet every time. So Sripada Pitanvite. So Videha Sutaya Sahitam Rajantam. He's sitting with the Sita Devi. Ananda Kolagalam. Because he's got all the bhaktas. That's only Ananda for him. For us, the Ananda is seeing him. For him, all the Ananda is seeing all his bhaktas. That Kolahalam. Ratribhyam, so all these brothers, Bharata, Shatrugna, Lakshmana, everybody is, one is holding the Chatra, one is holding the Chamara. Smaramanaha Pattabhishiktam Prabham Bhajare Manasa Satatam Pattabhiramam Bhajare Manasa Satatam.
Janaki Kanta Smaranam
Jai Jai Rama Rama Rajati Simhasane Shri Rama Rajati Simhasane Shri Rama Rajati Simhasane Rajati Pujita Charana Rajaviraj Pujita Charana Rajiva Netro Ranjita Swajana Rajiva Netro Ranjita Swajana Rajati Simhasane Shri Rama Rajati Simhasane Vama शोभित निजलार कनक दंड शोभित कर कनक दंड शोभित कर राजति सिंहासने श्रीराम राजति सिंहासने भरत शत्रुघ्न विजित चामर भरत शत्रुघ्न विजित चामर सौमित्रिगृहीत श्वेत छत्र सौमित्रिगृहीत श्वेत छत्र राजति सिंहासने श्रीराम राजति सिंहासने मारुति पूजित सरसिज पाद मारुति पूजित सरसिज पाद मंगल प्रेम गुण भरित मंगल प्रेम गुण भरित राजति सिंहासने श्रीराम राजति सिंहासने
जानकी कांत स्मरणं
जय जय राम राम राजति रघुवीर साकेते राजति रघुवीर राजति रघुवीर साकेते राजति रघुवीर रक्षित सकल सज्जन मंडल कांक्षित वरद कर कमल राजति रघुवीर साकेते राजति रघुवीर मातंग वाहन मातंग वाहन मणिमय दिव्य भूषण मणिमय दिव्य भूषण मनहसित सुंदर वदन मनहसित सुंदर वदन माधुर्य पूरित वचन माधुर्य पूरित वचन राजति रघुवीर साकेते राजति रघुवीर उभय चामर विजित उभय चामर विजित उत्तम भक्त पूजित उत्तम भक्त पूजित श्वेतातपत्र राजित श्वेतातपत्र राजित कर्पूर दीप राजित कर्पूर दीप राजित राजति रघुवीर साकेते राजति रघुवीर उत्तम प्रेमिक परिवृढः उत्तम प्रेमिक परिवृढः ऊर्जित धर्म शासन क्रीडः ऊर्जित धर्म शासन क्रीडः राजति रघुवीरः साकेते राजति रघुवीरः
जानकी कान्तस्मरणं
जय जय राम राम
त्वमेव मम कुलदैवतं
त्वमेव मम कुलदैवतं त्वमेव मम परं दैवतं त्वमेव मम परं दैवतं त्वमेव मम त्वमेव मम जीवनाधारं त्वमेव मम जीवनाधारं वन्देऽहं प्रभो वारं वारं वन्देऽहं प्रभो वारं वारं त्वमेव मम कुलदैवतं त्वमेव मम परं दैवतं त्वमेव मम कमलसमान सुन्दरमुख कमलसमान सुन्दरमुख कारुण्यपूरित कटाक्ष कारुण्यपूरित कटाक्ष कनककिरीट वरशोभित कनककिरीट वरशोभित कार्मुकपाणे कमलाक्ष कार्मुकपाणे कमलाक्ष त्वमेव मम कुलदैवतं त्वमेव मम परं दैवतं त्वमेव मम मङ्गलविग्रह मृदुवचन मङ्गलविग्रह मृदुवचन मन्मथकोटि लावण्य मन्मथकोटि लावण्य मणिकिरीचित रञ्जन मणिकिरीचित रञ्जन मारीच मद भञ्जन मारीच मद भञ्जन त्वमेव मम कुलदैवतं त्वमेव मम परं दैवतं त्वमेव मम भक्तवत्सल पुरुषोत्तम भक्तवत्सल पुरुषोत्तम पवन सुतार्चित चरण पवन सुतार्चित चरण भावुक प्रेमित पूजित भावुक प्रेमित पूजित भव शरणं मे सीतारमण भव शरणं मे सीतारमण त्वमेव मम कुलदैवतं त्वमेव मम परं दैवतं त्वमेव मम
जानकीकान्तस्मरणं
जय जय राम राम भजते रामं रघुवीरं मनसः भजते रामं रघुवीरं मनसः भजते रामं रघुवीरं भजित सुरासुर परिवारं भजित सुरासुर परिवारं भक्तजन प्रियं वारं वारं भक्तजन प्रियं वारं वारं भजते रामं रघुवीरं मनसा भजते रामं रघुवीरं गौतमपति शापहरं गौतमपति शापहरं गौरीनायक चापहरं गौरीनायक चापहरं भजते रामं रघुवीरं वैदेही तद मालाधरं वैदेही तद मालाधरं वनसञ्चारं क्षीरधरं वनसञ्चारं क्षीरधरं भजते रामं रघुवीरं ब्रह्मादिसुरार्चितचरणं ब्रह्मादिसुरार्चितचरणं प्रेमिकमण्डल मनोरमणं प्रेमिकमण्डल मनोरमणं भजते रामं रघुवीरं मनसा भजते रामं रघुवीरं
जानकीकान्तस्मरणं
जय जय राम राम पालय मां रघुवीर श्रीरामचन्द्र पालय मां रघुवीर पालित कौशिक यज्ञ महोत्सव रघुवीरा श्रीरामचन्द्र पालय मां रघुवीरा कोमलनयन कुटिल कुन्तल कोमलनयन कुटिल कुन्तल कोदण्डमण्डित करकमल कोदण्डमण्डित करकमल कुवलय श्यामण श्रीवनमाल कुवलय श्यामण श्रीवनमाल कुन्दरदन मुनिमानसलोल कुन्दरदन मुनिमानसलोल पालय मां रघुवीरा श्रीरामचन्द्र पालय मां रघुवीरा पापसमाकुल मुनिवरनारि पापसमाकुल मुनिवरनारि शाप विमोचन कृपानिधे देव शाप विमोचन कृपानिधे देव चाप भंजन जानकी जीवन चाप भंजन जानकी जीवन ताप निवारण तरणि वंशोन्नव ताप निवारण तरणि वंशोन्नव पालय मां रघुवीरा श्रीरामचन्द्र पालय मां रघुवीरा पतितोद्धारक परम पवेरा पतितोद्धारक परम पवेरा पशुपति सेवित पुण्य शरीर पशुपति सेवित पुण्य शरीर परम कृपाकर श्रित जन परम कृपाकर श्रित जन प्रेमिक शरणगतोद्धार गोत्र प्रेमिक शरणगतोद्धार गोत्र पालय मां रघुवीरा श्रीरामचन्द्र पालय मां रघुवीरा
जानकीकान्तस्मरणं
जय जय राम राम
Radhe Krishna. Beautiful song. Palaya
रघुवीरा श्रीरामचन्द्र पालय मां रघुवीरा
So Palayama. So what a nice prayer. So many songs. To come up to song 98. After all of this, we are offering our Samarpanam to Ramachandra through Anna's song. So Palayamam is Prapati. Yeah. So we are all asking for Sharanagati towards that Raghuvira, Sri Ramachandra. So Sri Ramachandra, please protect us. Give us Sharanagati. So he has already done that so many times, right from his childhood. He has been protecting. He has been taking care of his people, Swajanas. So Palita Kaushika Yajna Mahotsava. So Vishwamitra Kaushika, when he wanted to, when he was conducting his yaga, he was worried about disturbances to that. So he goes to Dasharatha asking for help of Rama and can you please send this boy? Dasharatha was very reluctant. He thought it's such a small boy. How can I send a boy to protect a yaga from Rakshasas? But Guru Vasishtha says, no, he's more than capable. This is nothing. Please send him. Lakshmana also goes. So together both Rama and Lakshmana go and protect that Yagya Samrakshanam happens. So that is what Anna is telling. Right from his childhood, Sri Rama has always been protecting. You know, Palita Kaushika Yagya Mahotsava. And because of that, all the people that were depending on those yajnas, all of the other munis of Vishwamitra, they were so happy. Their hearts filled up with joy. You know, Hridaya Padmotsava. So their hearts, bloomed like flowers, like lotus flowers. And that was the joy that Rama gave, even as a small boy. And even for all of us in this Sundarakandam, Parayanam, celebrations have lasted 3 months, almost. So even in all of this, our hearts are also blossoming like flowers, and Rama is giving us this opportunity. So we are praying to that kind of Rama. Palayamam Raghuvira. What do we pray on? So we know that we have to pray to Raghuvira. We know Sri Ramachandra is there. How does he look like? That darshanam we need. Then it becomes easy. So therefore Anna is giving that darshanam through the next 4 slokas.
Ubadaya Shamala Shri Vanamala Kundaradhana Munimana Sarvoma Palayama Raghuvira.
So this Ramachandra, this Raghuvira, has very soft eyes, beautiful kataksham, Komala Nayana, with that affectionate glance. That kataksham is always very, very sweet, very soft. You feel like looking at this kind of a kataksham, this type of a Ramachandra always. So he's got long curly hair. There are other descriptions where we have seen Rama to have, Ajana Bahu. So he's got long hands, he's got, Virasanam, we have seen all of those. But in this, the hair on his shoulders is described nicely. Kutila, Kuntala. And then he's got a Kodanda in his hand. He's a Chakravarti, right? So we just finished Patabhishekam. So he has to have a Kodanda Mandita Kara. But even then, even that Kara, that hand, has got Padma. Kamala. So it is, even there is softness. He's not going to any war. All wars have been done. All Rakshasas have been destroyed. So even there, the Kodanda is only for, Kamala. He's holding it gently. No need of that bow anymore. And then his color is described next. It is Kuvalaya Shyama. Rajesh had told us earlier, right? Shatrughna gave his elephant. So his color is also it resembles and reflects the same. And in our scriptural studies, we know that anything, the Megha Shyama color, the color of the clouds here. So they depict a shower of grace. So in that, when Rama is in Kuvalaya Shyamala, he's also showing that he can shower a ton of grace on all of us. And so to that kind of Rama, we should offer our Sharanagati. And it is not just him. He's wearing a beautiful Sri Vanamala. He's adorned with a nice, we are seeing so many Vanamalas here. So all of that. He's wearing all of that and he's looking very grand with a smile. Kundaradhana. And then everybody in Rama Parivara is all very happy because of that. So Raghuvira Ramachandra, again, Shapa Vimochana, Ahalya was she had become a rock. And then when Rama even went just near that Kshetra itself, just one touch of his feet, she regains her form. So whatever, if that is one example. Anybody else, whatever papa they might have done, he is able to immediately resolve all of that purely because of his kripa. Kripa nide, he is an ocean of kripa. So with that, he is able to give us that protection, is the confidence Anna is giving us. Anybody, you might have become a rock, you might have become anything else, but just a little touch of Rama is sufficient to pull us out of all of that. And then next line, the whole Sita Rama Kalyanam is depicted here. Chapa Banjana, Janaki Jivana. So they become together. Vishwamitra's whole objective was to take Rama from Dasharatha in order to take and become the reason for Sita and Rama to come together. So in this we are remembering that Leela. And then because of that, Rama and Sita coming together, so many people's tapas got addressed completely. That Yugala Swarupam of Sri Rama and Sita Devi is like a medicine to all of us. And then then that becomes Tarani Vamshodbhava. So through that, Anna is saying that this Surya Vamshi will shower a lot of blessing and sunshine through that darshanam.
Pashupati Sevita Punya Charita Parama Kripatara Shrita Janamita Premika Sharanagato Naragota Padayama Prabhuvira.
So this Parama Pavitra, we just spoke about Ahalya. So anybody else, Patitodharaka, whoever has fallen, whoever has made a mistake, whatever they might have done, that confidence is there for us that anything we might have done in our past, but just that just turn the mind towards Rama and Sita, and they are able to take us out and make us part of that Swajana. So we become part of Rama Sita Parivar by just wanting to be there. Then we become purified, Parama Pavitra. And then Parama Kripakara. Again, once again, that Kripele is Parama. He is the maximum level. Nobody can do any more Kripa than he can. And then, though we are going to him as Bhagavan, he is looking at us as a Mitra, Shritajana Mitra, Guha, and then Hanuman, right? Parishvanga Hanuman. He becomes, even though Hanuman has he thinks of himself as Ramadasa, but he makes him a friend, almost equivalent. Even Sugriva, everybody, anybody and everybody is his Mitra, Shritajana Mitra. And then to that kind of Kripanidhi, to that kind of a Kripakara, Parama Kripakara, Anna is saying, offer your Sharanagati to him. So, Palaya Mam Raghuvira. So, Palaya is only from our side, and also, this whole mandali of satsangams from all of these centers, right? Different centers across the globe have participated in this event. So we pray that all of them are protected by this Raghuvira Sri Ramachandra. Jai Shri Ram, Radhe Krishna.
Janaki Kanta Smaranam.
Jai Jai Rama Rama. Janmani Janmani Tava Bhakyam Dehi Me Kripaya Raghava. Janmani Janmani Tava Bhakyam Dehi Me Kripaya Raghava. Janaki Ramana Jalaja Vilochana Janaki Ramana Jalaja Vilochana Jagadeka Rakshaka Sujana Jivana Jagadeka Rakshaka सुजन जीवन जन्मनि जन्मनि तव भक्तिं देहि मे कृपया राघवा स्वर्गमपवर्गं कामयेनाहं स्वर्गमपवर्गं कामयेनाहं सुन्दरचरण तव दासोऽहं सुन्दरचरण तव दासोऽहं सीतावल्लभ विनाशय मोहं सीतावल्लभ विनाशय मोहं श्रीराघव कुरु कृपाप्रवाहं श्रीराघव कुरु कृपाप्रवाहं जन्मनि जन्मनि तव भक्तिं देहि मे कृपया राघवा तव कथामृत महतस्य मे तव कथामृत महतस्य मे तव गुणचिन्तनं सदा भवतु तव गुणचिन्तनं सदा भवतु तव नाम कीर्तन सेदस्य मे तव नाम कीर्तन सेदस्य मे तव रूप दर्शनं सुलभं भवतु तव रूप दर्शनं सुलभं भवतु जन्मनि जन्मनि तव भक्तिं देहि मे कृपया राघवा आञ्जनेयमिव मामवधारय आञ्जनेयमिव मामवधारय अथवा विभीषणम् इव मां पालय अथवा विभीषणम् इव मां पालय भरतमिव माम् आकलय भरतमिव माम् आकलय प्रेमिकभर्तमा आनन्दय प्रेमिकभर्तमा आनन्दय जन्मनि जन्मनि तव भक्तिं देहि मे कृपया राघवा
जानकीकान्तस्मरणं
जय जय राम राम
जय प्रेमिकेन्द्र सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की
जय
Srimad Ramayanam gives us all kinds of blessings. That is why we have the sloka Kutumba Vruddhim Dhanadhanya Vruddhim Striyascha Mukhya Sukham Uttamam Cha Shrutva Shubham Kavyam Shrutva Shubham. Just listen to Ramayana, all kinds of blessings are showered. Kutumba Vruddhim Dhanadhanya Vruddhim, all kinds of material blessings. Your family improves, wealth improves, all kinds of good food, good health, long life, Ayushyam, Arogyakaram, Yashasyam. So many blessings are given. And for people who want spiritual things, Tesham Pasas Trivishtape, that is also given. Do we have to then know the entire Ramayana? No. Yah padam padameva va. Even if you have had the good fortune to listen to one shloka, to listen to one word, Ramayanam is ready to shower all kinds of blessings. That Sita Rama is so kind. Jagadeka Rakshaka Sujana Jivana. Jagadeka Rakshaka. You only need that one. That one Premierna is there. He is giving you Rago Shatakam. You may sing all the 100 songs. You may sing 10 songs. You may sing one song. You may sing one line in one song. It doesn't matter. All the blessings are given. But the beauty of the devotees is, even though big wealth is given, big food is given, long life is given, everything is given, they want something. What do they want? Janmani, Janmani, Tava Bhaktim. Tava Bhaktim. They only want that level of devotion towards that Sita Rama. So Premierna is blessing us. It doesn't matter what kind of devotee you are. Like Sharat said, you do prapatti, Sita Rama is ready to protect all the time. But even though Ramayanam will give you, it is given. You will get Kutumba Vruddhim Dhanadhanya, all that is given. Premierna is saying, you please ask for this. Sita Vallabha Vinashaya Moham Sri Raghava Kuru Kripa Pravaham. Sri Raghava Kuru Kripa Pravaham. Sri means Sita Devi. So Sita Rama together have to give you some blessing. Kripa Pravaham. We want to be immersed in that river of Kripa. What is that river of Kripa? That river of Kripa means you have so much opportunity to get satsanga, so much opportunity to hear Ramayana. Once you get to hear, Premierna is doing Ramayana, 9 days, 30 days, so many days he does Ramayana. You listen to that, then you get immersed in that Rama Guna. Tava Guna Chintanam Sadava. Sadava. Always you will be thinking of that Sita Rama. You will be thinking of that Ramayana. You will be thinking of, oh, when Premierna said this, he had his hand like that. He saw this way, he smiled. That time he said this thing. Your mind will always be thinking of that. Then, always, just like when you're sleeping also, you're breathing, no? You don't stop breathing because you're sleeping. When you're talking to somebody also, you're breathing. When you're hearing something also, you're breathing. Similarly, your Rama Nama Japa will go on all the time. Because it has, the Nama itself is so great, it has come from that great a Guru, therefore, automatically inside Rama Nama Japam will always be going on. Always. It doesn't matter what else is happening, always you will be doing Rama Nama Japam. Tava Nama Kirtana Siddhasya Me. Sita Devi is so kind, Rama is so kind, our Guru is so kind, then no need to ask. You are going to get the blessing of that divine darshanam. Tava rupa darshanam sulabham bhavatu. Just like Sharat said, when he looks at us, it is so soft and so gentle. Premierna is saying, when you look at me, please look at me with the same kindness that you looked at Anjaneya. Anjaneyamiva mam avadharaya. Take care of me, protect me like you protected Vibhishana. Bharatamiva mam akhalaya. These are great devotees. We may not be anywhere close to that level, but because Premierna is making that request on our behalf, so we will get that. आञ्जनेयमिव मामवतारय अथवा विभीषणम् इव मां पालय भरतमिव रामाम् आकलय प्रेमिकभक्तं माम् आनन्दय जन्मनि जन्मनि तव भक्तिम्. We don't know how many janmas. It may be that this is the final janma. You have come into amazing satsanga. Rama has decided, enough, now you come with me. Okay, that is fine also. Or he may decide, please take many more janmas. That is fine also. What do we want? Every janma, tava bhakti. Janmani janmani, tava bhakti. Dehi me kripaya. That is the kripa we need to seek. The kripa we seek is tava bhakti. We do not know that Rama. We do not know that Krishna. But we know one Ramakrishna. No? You can ask for devotion to that Ramakrishna. Tava bhaktin dehi kripaya. Big blessing that so many people around the world have done Sundarakanda Parayana. 3 days, beautiful lectures from Hariji. Full Sundarakanda enjoyment. Then Harikatha, amazing. Ramakatha Sudha from Vishakhamani. And all centers around the world singing Raghav Shatakam, enjoying all that. And now we offer all these things to the feet of our Guru. He can offer it to Sita Rama. He can keep. It is up to him. Our offering is to the feet of our Guru. Radhe Krishna.
सरसिजनेत्राय शरदपुत्राय शरणागतोदारगोत्राय सुग्रीवमित्राय श्वेतादपत्राय सनकादिमुनिसूरिपादाय जय मङ्गलं नित्यशुभमङ्गलम् राजाधिराजाय राजेन्द्रविनुताय रावणप्रमुखारिमर्दनाय राकेशवदनाय रक्षितभुवनाय रघुवंशवारिधिवर्धनाय जय मङ्गलं नित्यशुभमङ्गलम् जानकी रमणाय जगदेकवीराय जगन्मङ्गलप्रेम विग्रहाय कोसलकुमाराय कोमलचरणाय कोदण्डमण्डितकरतलाय जय मङ्गलं नित्यशुभमङ्गलम् जय मङ्गलं नित्यशुभमङ्गलम्
जानकी कान्तस्मरणं
जय जय राम राम
जय प्रेमिकेन्द्र सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की
जय
स्वजनहृदमल सरोवर विकसित सरसीरुह मृदुचरण गम्भीर गमन करुणायत नयन कलाधर शीतल वदना ललित विशाल ललाट विभासित गोपी चन्दन तिलक जय जय कलिमद हरण जय हरिनाम वितरण जय हितकर मृदु वचन हेम शरीर समधीर उदारा करुणा पारा पारा जय श्री माधुरी रमणा जय श्री माधुरी रमणा जय श्री माधुरी रमणा जय प्रेमिकेन्द्र सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की
जय